Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Plata Bush channel analytics. Plata Bush has uploaded 172 videos. He now has 5.4 million subscribers with a total view of 1,115,588,154 views. He's from Malaysia, and his channel type is film. He created his channel since September 24, 2015. The grade he got is B+, and his Social Blade ranking is at 8,596th. The subscriber ranking is 2,357th, and then video view rank is 4,564th. He ranked at 3rd in Malaysia and 124th in film. Next, the daily subs for Plata Bush is around 1.66k with a daily view of 580,268. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 580,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $2,320. Then, monthly income will be $69,600. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $38,280 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $459,360. That is how much Plata Bush earns from YouTube.